My tie came out of my hoodie and I'm about to put it back in, and I thought I'm going to make a random video. I learned how to do this in home ec in junior high, and my mom sewed a little bit too, so she used to show me these tricks. And I thought I'm going to make this completely random video for people who never had home ec or who don't know how to sew. And this is a very easy fix. So this is the tie. This is the hole in my hoodie where the tie goes so that I can make my hood tight around my face when it's cold. So I'm going to take the end and I'm going to slide it in here. Okay, so you can see the end there. Now I'm just going to push this. This is going to take just a few minutes. I'm going to push the material together over the end of this, and I'm going to pull, hold on, I'm going to grab the end and then I'm going to pull this tight. Then I'm going to push this through again. Keep pushing it through. And I'm going to hold this end and I'm going to pull this over, this material over. So now I have about 1 inch in here. I'm going to do this again. Here's the end, and I'm going to push the material over the end of this, I guess we'll call it a shoelace, right? Push it over, and then I'm going to pull this out. So now we have about 2 inches in. And I'm going to continue to push this into the hood and pull it tight over the other end. And I'm going to do this till I get it through the hood and it comes out the other side. If you don't have the end, if it came off, you can do this with a safety pin. In fact, that might even be easier. Get a large safety pin and put it on there anyway through the fabric, because then you'll have a longer thing to hang on to, like the safety pin, and it might take less time to do this because you can put more fabric over the safety pin than you can over this little hard plastic shell that's on here. You can do the same thing with sweatpants, pajama pants. Just go, if you lost your tie, just go get a very long shoelace and you can fix. It's an easy fix. Thanks for watching.